Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can open multiple demo accounts on Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's easy and simple. So first of all, make sure you are logged in into your Exness account. Then click on My Account. Then after that, choose Demo. Then click on Open New Account. Here, this one. Click on it. Choose any one of these. For me, I will keep standard. Click Continue. Then you have to click here on demo. Make sure you click on it. Then choose the leverage you want, 2000 or 200, 400, 500, anything you want. Add a balance, let's say, for this example, 1500, 1500. Choose the currency you want and give it a name, standard, new, demo, for example, and create a password for this account. So for me, I will choose, okay, this and this. Then click create account. And as you can see here, this is the new demo account. Here, there's this one. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.